Hi everybody, welcome back. In this episode, I'm building a big shop space with my coworkers. This is a project commissioned by a business. The space is a place for machines and they need to be separated from the rest of the building. Here you can see the original space and here the digital model of the new design. The main thing in the design is having windows from top to bottom. This will let in the most light. Besides that, the windows need to be safe from impact, so normal glass wouldn't be super. My proposal was using polycarbonate as an impact-resistant option compared to glass. The placement of windows are in a manner that it's possible to look through this new shop space. This made the whole setup less massive and helped to be more visible if there was a dangerous situation with the people working there. So that was the design. First thing to do is, of course, doing measuring and layout of the structure. Then the materials could be prepared and cut. The walls are a stick frame from 2x4s. The frame is made from sections which then are raised and then attached together. When attaching, it's made straight, plumb and level. On the top side, the frames are attached to the existing first floor. Later on, this will be attached more structurally. On the bottom, the frame is attached with bolts to the concrete every 2 feet or 60 centimeters. In the walls, you can already see the openings for the windows and door. With this size of a project, it's perfect to do this with multiple persons. When the frame was in place, other details were attached to completely finish the framing. Directly over the frame, big sheets of plasterboards were placed. This is good for fire safety, and these boards are thicker than usual and have a small amount of glass fiber reinforcement in it. One thing is very pleasant with plasterboards, they are quickly cut to size and it's fairly dust poor when working, so it's very practical for commissioned work. Here the work is starting to look like something. The frame and outside plaster boards were in place after 2 days, so that's nice and quick. When that part was finished, we could work on the balustrade and railings. A thick sheet of OSB was attached to the stairs as a balustrade there. Then the top side of the walls are firmly attached. As you can see, the first window is put in place. The positive thing about polycarbonate that it's quite strong and easily attached with screws. The polycarbonate doesn't need a frame or a holder like glass does, so you don't need that extra kind of material or extra work. To finish the top rim of the wall, a wide ribbon of the OSB is attached. My friend Axel helped me with this project. He makes art for a living and sometimes he can help me with big jobs. See his work in the video description. Then the next step is to make another part of the balustrade. This gets prepared in my shop space. This is a relative new spot where I do work with other people. We're cutting the posts and then notch them to fit the walls. Then the posts are attached to the walls. This goes with checking where there are studs in the wall, and to make them plumb. Then, as balusters, a sheet of OSB is put on the post. This is done partly because you want to get as much light up in this space as possible. To finish the doorway, pieces of pine wood board are attached. I make sure these are protruding to the outside and inside to neatly finish the doorway with a shadow line. Then we made a curtain of PVC. It was practical to keep the dust in and let the most light through. And the inside got covered with plasterboards as well. And then the structure was finished. Some trim here and there, and that's it. I'm quite happy how it looks and how it functions, and the people working there are still quite happy with the new space. Thanks for watching.